Amidst the lush greenery, an elegant peacock spreads his iridescent feathers, ready to dance his way into the hearts of onlookers. Percy's graceful movements hypnotize the enchanted audience, drawing them deeper into the mesmerizing dance of the peacock. Beyond the trees, a troupe of dancers practices their routines, unaware of the magical visitor about to join their midst. Intrigued by the dancers' movements, Percy takes a tentative step forward, his eyes fixated on the rhythmic beats echoing through the forest. Startled gasps fill the air as Percy seamlessly integrates into the dancers' routine, his presence adding an ethereal touch to their performance. Unspoken competition simmers between the villagers and the enchanting peacock, as egos clash amidst the fluttering of feathers and swirling of skirts. A shared passion for dance transcends rivalry, as the lead dancer offers Percy a gesture of solidarity, bridging the gap between pride and humility. Pain gives way to determination as Percy's movements become a testament to resilience, his spirit unbroken despite the physical setback. Unity emerges from diversity as Percy and the lead dancer dance as one, their movements a testament to the power of collaboration and shared creativity. Cheers and claps ring out in a joyous cacophony, a celebration of talent and individuality that unites both peacock and villager in shared admiration. In the fading light, acceptance blooms like a flower, its petals unfolding in the shared acknowledgement of Percy's unique gift and the beauty of collaboration. As twilight descends, the forest bears witness to a moment of grace and understanding, a timeless dance of unity that lingers in the hearts of all who witnessed it.